Hello everyone, this is Giles. Before I begin what I'm going to do today, I would like you all to think about what you have tried to do to stop me from doing good for this channel. You don't realize this channel is continuously getting better. And yet you still stop me. This one who you call Jeeves, he is the enemy. Don't you realize it? That's off the topic. What we are doing today is I'm going to ask you to wash this glass of water while I play a certain type of music, you could call it. So, without further ado, we will now begin the audio recording.
Each day when her parents would head off to church, Sabrina would open the cupboard and search, for inside she knew that the miniature man who'd made his home behind their lima bean can. And he'd sing her this song. Pick me up with the spoon, throw me to the balloon, and let me ride around the shine on the moon. Have a wife there, she has beautiful hair. I hope she's not dead, I hope she's not dead. I hope she's not dead, I hope she's not dead. I hope she's not dead, I hope she isn't dead. Well, I hope she's not dead, I hope she's not dead. She can't be dead, she can't be dead.
I hope all of you have listened to the recording, and I hope that for some of you, it has changed your life. In some ways, of course. If it didn't, that's okay. And no, the straws didn't mean anything. They weren't a code. That's laughability right there. You know, it's funny to think that things such as straws could be codes, even though these aren't. Anyways, goodbye everyone. This is Giles.